Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are preparing sweet popcorn. The salt version is very easy to prepare, but the sweet one most times easily gets burnt. So as you can see, I have my popcorn maize, some sugar and some oil. I use the oil to fry plantain. That's why you see those black particles in it, but never mind, we are still going to use it. So I have my pan on fire. I'll be adding my oil shortly. It's an infrared flame kind of fire, so you wouldn't see it. So I would add my oil, and then when you add the oil, you have to make sure the oil gets very hot, extremely hot. You have to wait for the oil to be extremely hot. I swirl it around to coat the pan. Like, you have to do it like that so that it would coat every corners all of the pan. Don't mind me. When you wait till the oil gets extremely hot, then you add the popcorn maize. You can see it's bubbling because the oil is very hot. You swirl it around to coat the maize very well. It has to coat it. Otherwise, some will pop and some won't pop. At this point, I'll add my sugar. And there's a trick I use. After adding my sugar, I stir it so that it will coat every single maize in the pan. I stir it around for a bit so I will get properly coated. And then I cover it. You have to do it on a not too high heat, not too low heat, medium heat. That's what you have to use. As you can see, my corn has already started popping. My son was disturbing me, so I had to put it in his bowl for him. You can see it's all looking nice and appetizing. So this is a very simple snack you can do for the children. Thank you.